Welcome, everyone. If you're ready to kickstart your day with energy that lasts, you've clicked on the right video. Imagine feeling focused, energized, and ready to take on anything that comes your way. That's what our 30-minute morning exercise routine offers. This isn't just about moving your body. It's about transforming your day from the moment you roll out of bed. Step 1. Get your heart pumping. Start with a simple 5-minute jog on the spot, or if space allows, a quick run outside. Remember, the goal is to elevate your heart rate and warm up your body. As you run, think about the day ahead and the positive impact this routine will have on your life. Excited? You should be. Step 2. It's time to activate your muscles. Follow up your jog with 3 sets of 10 lunges on each leg. Lunges are fantastic for building lower body strength and improving your balance. Feel the stretch and enjoy the burn. It's your body waking up. Step 3. Core calling. Spend about 5 minutes on abdominal exercises. Start with basic crunches, move into bicycle crunches, and finish with planks. Holding a plank might feel like a challenge, but imagine the core strength you're building. Strong core, strong day. Now, don't you want that for yourself every day? Step 4. Push-ups and more. Let's not forget about our upper body. Do 3 sets of 10 push-ups. If standard push-ups are tough, start with knee push-ups. Each push you make is a step closer to a stronger you. With every push-up, push away any doubts you have about your strength. Step 5. Cool down and stretch. After your full-body workout, spend 5 minutes stretching. Focus on major muscle groups: legs, hips, back, shoulders. Stretching improves flexibility and decreases the risk of injuries. It also gives you a moment to appreciate the work you've just put in. Feels good, doesn't it? Wow, you did it! Just 30 minutes in the morning, and you've set a positive tone for the entire day. Now, as you catch your breath, think about how much better you feel. Every day you do this, you're building a stronger, more resilient, and energetic self. Isn't that an exciting thought? But don't let the journey stop here. If you enjoyed this workout and are curious about taking your personal development to the next level, check out our next video, the 7-Day Challenge to Reset Your Mindset and Productivity. It's designed to complement the energy and discipline you're developing here. Just click on the end screen or link below to start. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Join our community and never miss a daily video that could be the game changer in your health and productivity. Remember, transform your morning, transform your life. See you in the next video.